Hey guys, welcome to question FM124 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, 4 lines of an amortization table for an annuity investment are shown below. The interest rate for this investment remains constant, however, payment value may vary. So then it gives us a little table. I haven't put the titles above here, but I'm sure you guys will have your books and be reading along. The balance of the investment after payment number 24 is 11,300. The value of payment 24 is closest to what? So we're looking for this value here now. Immediately you might think because the last three are 150, it's 150, but they have mentioned at the end of that second sentence that the payment value may vary. So it's not to say that this will be consistent the whole way through. What they have told us is consistent is this interest rate though. Now they haven't told us the interest rate, but we can calculate that interest rate by looking at the interest that's being charged in each of these payments. So there's 31.55 on the 10,700, the 32.10 on 10,882. So a couple of quick calculations, 31.55, so the interest on top divided by the amount, or the amount of the account at that point in time, that's going to give us an answer of 0.0029 or 0.29% if we were to convert that decimal to percentage. And one more quick calculation just to make sure that that is our number, that we're our percentage rate, 10,882.9. Let's try whacking that in there, and that's also going to give us 0.0029. So whack those calculations into your calculator. So both of these interest amounts are telling us that we've got an interest rate, or probably a monthly interest rate by the looks of things, of 0.29%. And we can use that to help us figure out the rest of this question. So keeping that 0.0029 in mind, we can look at the 11,300 that we have in the account at the end of this payment, and find 0.29% of that. So a quick little calculation like that in your calculator, you're going to get an answer of 32.77. Now, that fits in just here. That's the amount of interest that's going to be charged on this account at that point in time. So what we need to figure out is what this total amount is going to be. Now, we know that the amount being added to get from 11,065.55 to 11,300, well, we can calculate that. We've got to increase by 234.45. So that's got to be our principal addition, 234.45. Interesting, which means that we can calculate this payment now by minusing our interest from the total principal add. So if we take that 234.45 and we minus our 32.77, we get an answer of 201.68. Just going to go in here. And from our choice of answers here, that's going to land us on option C. If you have any questions about this, guys, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.